Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a policy which is going to let you create bookmarks on Google Chrome as well as Microsoft Edge browser using Microsoft Intune. And the policy is going to be configuration profile, right? So how we can do that, and I'm going to show you what details or how we can enable it and push it. So we as an administrator, we would be deploying some bookmarks for different business applications on the browsers, right? So the context would be about pushing out and bookmarks for different business applications on the end users browsers on their devices, right? And why we wanted to do that? We wanted to do that because we wanted to provide a right set of applications instead of people going on internet and find those applications, or maybe just type application name, and maybe there are similar applications with a similar name, right? So that could be an issue, and that is also a risk, right? So instead of doing that, we should deploy a policy which has appropriate web links as well as the bookmark, so that we can simply guide end users and teach them how you can use those bookmarks as well as they can use those applications. And also it is going to improve their experience instead of juggling from one site to another site and find whichever is the right site to go ahead and log in and access and maybe do their job, right? So to avoid all that situations, we can simply deploy bookmarks on browsers and then people can simply use it, right? So first I'm going to show you for Google Chrome browser, and then I'm going to show you for Microsoft Edge, right? And also there is a way for us to deploy similar capability for Firefox browser as well, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So let me create a profile, right? So click on devices and then click on configurations here. Then you need to click on create. So this is loading. Perfect. So click on new policy, click on Windows 10 and later, and from here we need to either select templates, and we can simply select the administrative templates, right? So this way we can select or add appropriate bookmarks. So for now I'm going to simply select the settings catalog, where we have these settings as a part of setting catalog, and then we will be creating a bookmark. So I'm going to give it a name, bookmark on Google Chrome, and then click next. So here's the correct appropriate setting, and from here we need to select the setting to bookmark a particular URL, a particular web page, right? So this way I'm going to simply select Google Chrome, and then it is going to list down all the different Google Chrome capabilities. But out of this list, we need to select only a bookmarks, right? And that is going to be added into the browser, right? So just let me select one of that. So here you see I have searched managed bookmarks. You can search similar words, or maybe you can search managed bookmarks, and then you will see the results here. So once you click on that, you will see list of options to add bookmarks on a device context as well as user context, right? So here we have option to add on a device context as well as on a user context. So I'm going to select both for now, and then we will create a policy. So currently both of these are disabled. We need to make it enable and then add the bookmarks so that we can simply add the details. So now details as in bookmark capabilities, right? Also we need to enable the bookmark bar as in it shows a kind of a little tab at the browser side, right? And that is going to showcase us to add additional visibility for users, right? So this way we can add that as well. So that's part of this one, and we are going to add it on a user level as well as on a device level. So I'm going to add on both, where users can also override. If we don't want to override from user side, then we can simply remove that. We don't need to add that additional, right? And then we should be good there. Also, there is another capability for users to enable or disable bookmark editing on their own instead of relying on administrators or IT team, right? So this can also be managed. So we can do that as well. So I'm searching these options here, and we are getting all those capabilities here as well. So from this, we can simply enable those options, and then we would have those capabilities enabled. So now there's a question what we need to add under the managed bookmark section here. So I'm going to add a bookmark created, which is a kind of alphanumeric value, and which is in a form of JSON. So I'm adding it here, right? So this is going to look like this one, and you can see this is a bookmark template which is in JSON format, or which is in a kind of HTML format as well, so you can say. So I have hover over the mouse, and you can see this small pop-up has come up, and you can see the characters as well as details about it, right? So this is the bookmark uh, JSON, and you can add it here. So once you added it here, this should be ready for us to create this policy and deploy it. So under the assignments, I will simply add all devices for now, and we should be good to go ahead. And once you add it, you will see a small pop-up here, and under that you will see the managed bookmark on user context. So we have added this a complete bookmark text, and then we have enabled other options, and then on a device level as well, right? So this way we are enabling bookmark on user level as well as device level. So any user who is connecting or logging into the device, they would also get the bookmarks on their profile, and the people who are connecting on their devices with their work account, they will also get the bookmarks, right? So now we should be good here, and let's go ahead and create a profile. Perfect. So this policy is created now, and I am going to simply open it up here. Okay, let me refresh it. Perfect. So this is the policy that I have created, which is bookmark on Google Chrome, right? And you can see we have added all devices group, and then we have added all the details in order to create this bookmark profile, right? So that's all for this profile and for this video. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and do share within your community and friends. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.